gonna be unwrapping this LOL. You grab all of yeah. You like LOLs? I'm gonna open one. He's starting to open the other ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and open one of them. He actually can open it. Oh, look at that. And wait, there's more. Yeah, you need help? I'll help you here. Alright. You want to open? Open? Alright. Yeah. Whoa, we got one now. We got one, look. We got one. We'll see what we can. Oh, we have to reveal a surprise. Oh, she changes color. Oh, there's more. A snow bunny. Whoa, look. Whoa. Let's see what we have inside. Little baby steps. Oh, it's a keychain. Oh, I see. Alright, so we got his shoes. We get tiny shoes. Tiny shoes. A hat. Oh, that is a pretty cute hat. Look at that hat. Let's see, this is the doll. This is a doll right here. So we'll see. Whoa, look at the hat. This is so cute. She doesn't have a shirt though. So that's her right there. Alright, I was like, this hat doesn't even fit her. Look at that. The shoes won't even fit her, but yeah, so we got that. We got this and this. See, I almost lost that shirt. And she even have this. Mic check. Oh, look at that. Finally got something. We hit something. So, whoa. We got a little bitty one. Right here. Alright, so. Oh, look at that. That's a cute little shoe. More little bitty things. Oh, she got a bottle or a sippy cup. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. Look at that. Whoa. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's actually pretty cool. And it's like a thing that you put around so it looks like a basket. Oh, look at that. You got a bling bling, bling bling. No. There's like more in here. Oh, look at that. Oh, she's so cute. Look at that. She's so cute. I think she might be a spitter. Look. Look, there's air coming out of her mouth. So I think she's a spitter. So this one. So basically, what do we have on this one? Oh. We got another one right here. I didn't even think what's in here. Let's see. Oh! Look at that. Ain't that the cutest? Look at that, that's cute. It's like a romper. Romper, look at that. That's cute. But anyways, we can let her wear that in a bit. Let me out of here. Okay, sure. I'll let you out. Oh, look at that. It's just so cute. I like her hair. I like it. It's so cute. Look at that. What is inside? Oh, like a necklace. Necklace, I think. Let's see. I'm gonna put that necklace on her. Ah, there you go. That is so cute. Now she can put this romper on. Aw, so adorable. And then you got this one. What does it say? Making my debut. Look at that. Ready to dive in. Making my debut. Right. I saw that earlier. Whoa, look at this. So we have another hat. The hat we got this time. Oh, that's so cute, BB. That's cute. Okay. It's dark in here. Okay, well, see if we can get it. We'll get her out. Oh, this is the cutest one I've gotten so far. Look at that, look at that. She's so cute. Let's see if she can stand up on her own. Ah, there you go. Okay, so there's two more. And this one too. Careful. Precious contents inside. Ah, well, this is the key ring. Oh, look, there's new shoes. Actually, there's black shoes. Black shoes right here. This thing is hard to open. There you go. What are we gonna have in here? Yeah, we get another sticker. It says curtains or cell phone. It's like curtain call. Oh, I see. Another sticker. Yeah, okay, let's see what's inside. Alright, then you got another hat. Oh, look at that! That's so cute! That is a cute handbag or a purse. It goes well with this lady right here. That's a huge. Actually fell. I was trying to like take her out and then she fell. She's cute too, but I like that one with the white hair better. I like her hair. Hey, so we get one more. Oh no, actually two more. Oh, there's two. Keyring again. Keyring goes in there. so Eli, oh, this is cool. Look at that. Look at that. We got the hard glasses. That is so cool. That is so cool. Oh, we got a sticker. Sticker. That's like sick beat. Oh, sick beat. Ah, there you go. Let's see, we got another sticker. So, let's see what's inside. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay, look at that. Oh, let's see. I think this is gonna be, oh, look at that. I got a boots here. Look at it. Okay, guys, this is it. This is it. It's almost done. Alright, let's see. Let me get out of here. Oh, look at that. She's so cute. Look at that. Oh, got it. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. Okay, last one. Oh, she got a necklace. Necklace, look. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Alright, so I get her dressed up. Look at that. That's how she looks like. Oh. And then she can use that. Look at that. And then you can put it on her. Look at that. Yeah. She does. Alright, so that's about it, guys. So that's all we have for today. Hey guys, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please leave that at the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching. Peace.